I am the leader of opposition, by the way, named Louis Choi. And we are here to rebut to the other team and say what we've got to say about the motion. Okay, so the other team said that the other team said that playing with playing with the baby's genes, playing around with the baby's genes and making it so that it won't have any diseases. It won't have any diseases when it gets born is a good thing because it'll be better for the whole family. The family will have a happier life. But that's not necessarily true. It depends on the family. If the family is optimistic, then even though they have a baby, they have a child with problems, they're born and they're still going to be happy. Even I personally know several families that have happy lives, even though they have children with problems since birth. And they also said that the abortion rate is going to decrease because when couples have a baby that have problems, they feel sorry for it, so they don't really have the guts to give birth to it. But no, thank you. Okay. But that'll be refuted in my second argument. Yeah. Okay. So our arguments, we have the one about ethics, and another one about the other one about mistakes, people making mistakes, and the third one about class, and the fourth one about monopoly. But that will be presented by our deputy. About ethics, people are people; they're not God. So when they try to play around with genes, make a healthy, perfectly healthified person, the dignity of people will decrease because people can just play around with genes all they want and make like a perfect, healthy baby. And if something goes wrong, then they'll just get rid of that baby and make another one because they can do that with whatever they have with science. So that will basically create more abortion, which just goes against the second argument. Thank you. And about the second argument about people making mistakes, as I said, people are not God; they make mistakes, and a lot of times the doctors could slip up and something could go wrong, and the baby would basically have to live with that mistake. What about?
We can make a machine that can control these DNA, so there won't be any mistakes of doctors.
Thank you. But also, does everybody remember that genetically modified corn that got China all crazy and stuff? That was done with a machine too, and that, for some reason, there was a tragic consequence that caused problems, and that was done by a machine. So, and besides, the person makes the machine. And there could be something wrong with the machine. So, really, the machine won't be a necessary answer to the thing.
The point now.
No, thank you. Yes. And about class. Okay, so this genetically playing with genes and stuff, it's going to cost a lot of money. And what we can say is only rich people would afford this, and poor people, if they have problems with their babies, the babies will just have to be popped out that way, and it won't be fair. Because
Point now.
sorry, no, thank you. Yes, and so later all the rich people will be healthy, and all the poor people will just suffer from the problems they had from birth. So So like even when they get hired, all the rich people will get hired because they have no health-related problems, and it'll be easier for them to get hired. Yes. So that is why we do not believe that we should genetically play with the health issues of unborn babies.